Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. I'll show you a quick trick I do here when I find insect eggs, especially if it's not beneficial insect eggs in my trees, especially under the leaves. I used to just remove the leaf, but then if there's an infestation, let's say, you would have to remove a lot of leaves, and I just don't want to do that, especially that it's a lot easier to use, let's say, like tape. People use like packing tape, really sticky, put it under the leaf and pull off the eggs that way to keep the leaf on the tree. But I found that's really hard to do sometimes. So what I did long ago is I bought a lint roller. And you see here, I'm assuming this is leaf-footed beetle or leaf-footed bug. I've seen this before. And about 2 to 3 more weeks later, you'll see all these little leaf-footed nymphs walking around everywhere around these eggs. So all I do is I lift the leaf. I'm not going to touch any leaves right now, but I lift the leaf and I just roll underneath it, just like that. Well, I touch the leaf, but whatever, no eggs attached to it. That's what I do, and it comes right off. So instead of you just grabbing tape and pulling it off one by one, it's a lot harder to do that. And sometimes the packing tape's so strong, this is a lot gentler on the leaf. So Lulu approves, right, Lulu? You can buy them at a dollar store. That's my little tip for the day. I hope all of you are doing okay. And of course, and always, Lulu, what are you doing? She's been finding like insects and bees in the grass, and she already got bit in the lip or stung in the lip about a month ago. Happy gardening, everyone.